What's up, RC people? Welcome to the RC channel. I'm the RC guy. Hope you guys are having a good day, staying safe out there. Today we got the Eachine E119 gyro stabilized helicopter. Comes in this nice box. Comes with the chopper, the radio, and the batteries. Packaged very well. Let's open it up. Comes with this clamshell type packaging. This top part comes off, so it holds it in place very well. Comes with a tool, Allen wrench, a screwdriver, and some extra parts for the rotor. An extra set of blades, the chopper, the radio, and the instructions. Instructions are in English and Chinese. Pretty easy to understand. Very straightforward. Tells you how to trim it. General flying instructions. It also shows you this module you can buy that plugs into the model. I'll show you that in a minute. For a futaba radio. It's too bad they don't give you a spectrum option. I would have got that. So here's the model. It's really nice. It's built very well. High quality. It's got a little motor for the rotor and the tail boom there. It's a gear drive motor with a Molex connector. And then it has these little rubber fittings on the canopy that hold it in place. And this is where you would plug in the futaba external receiver. And then in this lower compartment here is where the battery, that's the battery tray there. Pretty nice little model. It has dual rates, so it gives you a beginner mode and an advanced mode. And then it flies on a 1S 350 milliamp battery. And then on the back here you can see it's got a little red LED light. When you plug the battery in, that will come on and stay on. And then when that starts flashing, that's the low voltage indicator telling you to land before the battery goes dead. What you want to do is turn the radio on. Place the battery in the battery tray. Make sure it's all the way forward. And then I like to run the main wire in front of the leg here on the landing gear to keep it away from the gear. And then you'll see now that the light has come on. We'll give it a little control check. That seems to be working. All right. We'll get the hat cam on and we'll get it up in the air. Be right back. Alright, put it on this trash can here. The Eachine E119 helicopter. Very stable. Flies really, really good. And it's super quiet. You could fly this anywhere. No one's even going to know you're up in the air. If you've flown a drone before, it's the same basic concept. It's a little bit different. But it's real similar. That's full speed past there. can see the gyro working there in the wind. It's best to fly it when there's no wind, but if there's a light breeze, it'll fly okay. Fly backwards, fly forward. Sounds so cool. Yeah, if you guys can hear that. Takes a little bit to get used to it. But it's really fun. Woo! Flies really, really good. Like I said, if you've flown a drone before, you'll have no problem flying this. It's not quite the same, but it's really similar. That sound is cool. It's a lot quieter than a drone. I hope it's picking up that sound. Yeah. Hear that tail rotor working. The flight is amazing on this little chopper for how small it is. Really nice. And the sound is so low, but the sound of the blades is just enough to give you that full-size feeling. Performance is fantastic also. You can fly it real slow and scale, or you can zoom it around. Woo. There we go. I like to fly mine with a little forward trim, just to keep it moving. You don't get so much prop wash. But right there is pretty neutrally trimmed, so it'll hover really good. Still has a little bit of forward on there. Kind of bounces around a little if you just sit and hover. That's why I like keep it a little forward trim. Just keep it moving. It seems to not shimmy around so much, but it will sit and hover. You can see now the light is starting to blink on the back there. Looks really nice too. That's a good looking chopper. I like the paint scheme on it. You can see now it's blinking. I'm trying to get on the other side there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. Trying to position it so you guys can see it blinking there. You still get about 3 minutes to land. See it blinking? I don't know if that's coming through. So we'll go ahead and bring it in. is just taking it. There it is, the Eachine E119. Really nice. I give that one a 9 out of 10. Just because they don't have the Spectrum receiver for it. They went with futaba instead. But the flying characteristics are really good. It looks really good. Comes in this nice box. Can't recommend this one enough. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.